Imagine holding a piece of nature that embodies your most cherished moments. Let's uncover the art of storytelling stones and the journeys they can take us on. Why just decorate when you can create with meaning? Discover how storytelling stones can transform both your space and your heart. Your life is a tapestry of stories, why not weave them into art? Explore how storytelling stones can reflect your unique journey. Welcome to the enchanting world of storytelling stones, where creativity meets personal narrative. Imagine holding a simple stone in your hand, its surface smooth and cool, yet brimming with the potential to convey a story as unique as your own. In this journey, we'll explore how these ordinary stones can transform into extraordinary vessels of memory and emotion. Each stone serves as a canvas, allowing you to express your experiences, dreams, and sentiments through art. From cherished moments of joy to lessons learned during challenging times, every creation reflects a chapter of your life. As we delve into the process of crafting storytelling stones, you'll discover the joy of reflecting on your personal history while engaging in a creative practice. Whether you're an experienced artist or a curious beginner, this project is an invitation to tap into your imagination, share your story, and connect with others in meaningful ways. Join us as we embark on this artistic adventure, turning stones into storytellers, and celebrating the power of creativity to unite us all through the narratives we hold dear. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between lush hills and flowing rivers, lived a group of artisans known for their remarkable ability to transform ordinary stones into extraordinary pieces of art. These artisans believed that every stone held a story, waiting to be told. One day, a young girl named Maya wandered into the village, drawn by the vibrant colors and intricate designs she saw displayed in the artisan's workshop. Curious, she approached an elderly artisan named Ilara, who was painting a beautiful stone adorned with swirling patterns. "What are you creating?" Maya asked, her eyes wide with wonder. "This," Ilara replied, gently tapping the stone, "is a storytelling stone. Each design represents a memory, a feeling, or a tale that wishes to be shared." Maya's interest piqued. "Can I make one too?" she asked eagerly. Ilara smiled warmly and nodded. "Of course. Let me show you how. The crafting begins." Maya gathered smooth stones from the nearby riverbank, each one unique in shape and size. Under Ilara's guidance, she learned to look deeply at each stone, allowing her imagination to flow. "Think about your happiest memory," Ilara suggested. "What colors and shapes come to mind?" With a heart full of joy, Maya began to paint her first stone, a sun shining brightly over the village she loved. The golden rays spread out, each one representing a cherished moment spent with her family. The art of storytelling. As Maya painted, Ilara shared stories of her own stones. One stone depicted a fierce storm, representing the challenges she had faced in her life, while another illustrated a gentle breeze, symbolizing the peace that followed. "Each stone is a chapter in our lives," Ilara explained. "They remind us of where we've been and the lessons we've learned." Inspired, Maya decided to create a series of stones that represented her journey. She painted a stone for every meaningful event, a stone for her first day of school, another for the day she learned to ride a bicycle, and one for the moment she made her first friend. A community connection. As word spread about Maya's storytelling stones, villagers began to gather, eager to share their own stories. They painted stones that reflected their experiences, tales of love, loss, adventure, and triumph. Each stone became a part of the village's collective narrative, a tapestry woven from the threads of their lives. Together, they decided to create a storytelling garden, a place where these beautiful stones could be displayed for all to see. Each stone would tell its story to anyone who stopped to admire it, inviting new visitors to share their own tales. The legacy of storytelling stones. Years passed and Maya grew up, but the storytelling stones remained. The garden became a cherished spot in the village, where children would gather to hear the stories of elders and share their own dreams. Maya eventually became an artisan like Ilara, passing down the tradition of storytelling stones to future generations. The stones became more than just art. They were a celebration of life, a reminder that everyone has a story worth telling. And so, the practice of creating storytelling stones continued, connecting hearts and minds through the beauty of creativity and the power of shared experiences. Each stone stood as a testament to the incredible journeys we all embark upon, inviting us to reflect, share, and inspire. In a world where stories often go unheard, storytelling stones remind us of the importance of connection and creativity. They encourage us to look within, find our own narratives, and share them with the world, one beautiful stone at a time. How could someone start making their own storytelling stones? Creating your own storytelling stones is a wonderful way to express creativity and share personal narratives. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step-by-step guide to making storytelling stones. 1. Gather materials. Stones. Collect smooth, flat stones from a riverbank, garden, or craft store. Choose different sizes and shapes. Paints. Use acrylic paints or permanent markers. These are vibrant and adhere well to stone surfaces. Brushes. Get a variety of sizes for detailed work in larger areas. Sealant. To protect your designs from the elements if using outdoors. Palette. For mixing colors. Water and paper towels. For cleaning brushes and hands. 2. Choose your stories. Think about the stories or memories you want to represent. Consider significant life events, birthdays, graduations. Emotions, joy, love, challenges. Favorite places or experiences. 3. Sketch your designs. On paper, sketch out the designs for your stones. This helps visualize how you want each stone to look. Include symbols, words, or images that represent your chosen stories. 4. Prepare your workspace. Set up a clean, well-lit area to work. Lay down newspaper or a plastic sheet to protect surfaces. 5. Start painting. Begin with a base coat if desired, then layer your designs. Use fine brushes for intricate details and larger brushes for background colors. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors and patterns. 6. Add personal touches. Incorporate words, quotes, or short phrases that resonate with your story. Use different techniques like dot painting or stenciling to add depth. 7. Allow to dry. Let your stones dry completely. This may take a few hours depending on the paint used. Seal your stones. Once dry, apply a clear sealant to protect your artwork, especially if you plan to display them outdoors. 9. Display your stones. Create a special place to showcase your storytelling stones, such as a garden or patio, a shelf in your home, a dedicated storytelling garden where others can add their own stones. 10. Share your stories. Invite friends and family to view your stones and share their meanings. Consider starting a storytelling group where others can create their own stones and share their narratives. Tips for success. Embrace imperfection. Each stone will be unique, so embrace the variations in your designs. Inspiration. Look for inspiration in nature, art, or literature to enhance your storytelling. Reflect. Take time to reflect on your stories as you paint. This process can be therapeutic and rewarding. By following these steps, you can create your own storytelling stones that not only beautify your space but also carry meaningful narratives that connect you to your experiences and those around you. What kind of sealant is best for outdoor display? For outdoor display of your storytelling stones, it's essential to choose a sealant that provides durability and weather resistance. Here are some of the best options. 1. Acrylic sealer. Description. A water-based acrylic sealer is easy to apply and dries clear. It offers good UV protection and is non-toxic. Best for general use, ideal for painted stones. 2. Polyurethane sealant. Description. Available in both water-based and oil-based versions, polyurethane creates a tough, protective layer that is highly resistant to moisture and UV rays. Best for long-lasting protection, particularly good for stones that will be exposed to harsh weather conditions. 3. Epoxy resin. Description. Epoxy resin provides a strong, glossy finish and excellent protection against water and UV light. It can create a thicker coating that enhances the stone's appearance. Best for decorative stones, great for a high-gloss finish and intense weather protection. 4. Spray sealants. Description. Clear spray sealants are easy to apply and can cover large areas quickly. Look for outdoor-specific formulations for best results. Best for quick application, suitable for multiple stones. 5. Marine varnish. Description. Designed for boats and marine applications, marine varnish offers excellent water resistance and UV protection. Best for stones placed in very wet environments or exposed to direct sunlight. Tips for application. Clean the surface. Ensure your stones are clean and dry before applying sealant. Test first. Conduct a small test on a sample stone to see how the sealant affects the color and finish. Multiple coats. For added protection, consider applying multiple thin coats, allowing each coat to dry fully before applying the next. Follow instructions. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for application and drying times to achieve the best results. Using the right sealant will help preserve your storytelling stones and keep them looking beautiful for years to come. Thank you for joining me on this creative journey into the world of storytelling stones. I hope you feel inspired to pick up a stone and start crafting your own unique narratives. Remember, each stone you create is a reflection of your experiences, emotions, and stories waiting to be told. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might love to join in on this artistic adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more creative projects and storytelling tips. I'd love to hear about your experiences with storytelling stones or any ideas you have. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep creating, keep sharing, and never forget the power of your own story. Happy crafting!